Hello angels, and welcome back to my channel. It is RaeSavvy here. Happy New Year, angels. We are walking into this year with our 2020 vision activated, our lens focused, and our goals clear. With that same idea in mind, I am here to show you all the reconfiguration of my room, YouTube setup, bedroom, nursery, craft room, because we're not waiting until we have it all. We are using what we got and making it better. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here it is, angels. Very underwhelming, very tired, very dysfunctional room. I was really excited to finally give my room a facelift. Bringing in the new year with a fresh new start gave me so much joy. So here I am, give you all the proof that I actually did all this work myself. Taping off the trim in my room to finally remove my childhood paint off of these walls. No greater joy. Okay, so one of the biggest changes I made to my room was the color change. Obviously, I did the typical YouTuber thing of painting my walls white because I wanted the room to be light and airy and really maximize the lighting that comes into my room.
So I ended up getting a whole bunch of ceiling paint when I was doing a lot of cosmetic surgery around the house, and since I'm cheap and this paint wasn't the cheapest, I'm going to use it on my walls. Since it is a paint plus primer stay clean formula like it says there, I really think it's going to turn out fine. It's going to give me a flat look, which isn't too bad. I don't really want a glossy finish anyway since it's white. I think it'll work, so stay tuned.
I kept some of my lavender features the same, like the curtains and some of RaeSavvy's bedding. And I do want to incorporate more purples on her side of the room. As you can see, I am still using the letters from her baby shower with the lighting. They're just hanging on hooks now. So you will be seeing more purples incorporated there. The layout was another thing that I just had to change. The layout of my room had to change. I was not maximizing the storage under my bed because my bed was of course against a wall, so I was not able to use all the area under my bed to put things under. Also, my bed was up against the windows, so the lighting wasn't coming directly in and reflecting off of my face. It just didn't make sense for what I was trying to achieve with my videos. Also, I wanted to separate my space from RaeSavvy's space. As you can see, she's on one side of the room and now I am on one side. I did underestimate the space in between our sides, but it's fine. Nobody really comes in my room. It works. I feel more separated from her when I have to do things like record and she is in her bed like she is now. Before I wrap this up in part 2, I do want to mention that part 2 will get more into the organization, the more of the final touches of the room. So look out for that. before I wrap up my first video of 2020, I do want to thank you all for the growth. I am seeing the growth. I am seeing more watch time. Very blown away by the analytics of my channel at this time. So I do want to thank you all for the support. Thank you all for watching. Continue subscribing. Subscribe if this is your first time here. Like this video if you like this video. And as always, in 2020 and beyond, I pray that you all continue to live your blessed life. Thanks for watching.